Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Z900 with ABS brakes. This street fighter style sport bike, inline 4-cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled, just arrived with only 14,500 miles. She's got a brand new back tire, engine guards, smoke windscreen, beautiful condition, metallic black with green highlights. Come on by, make your big bore inline 4-cylinder street fighter dreams come true for just $74.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.